Hey guys, you are back watching another LockNet video newsletter. I'm your host, Whitney, and today we are in a new setting. We are here at As Is in Dallas, Texas, and I have Jay Vitkus with me from ASSA ABLOY. So you want to tell us a little bit about what you do with ASSA?
Sure. I am Director of Business Development for Power Operators at Norton.
Okay. And you won, word on the street is that you won a pretty impressive award today. So we want to find out a little more about it.
It's the 2017 Security Today New Product of the Year Award.
Okay, so, and it goes, now by itself, this doesn't do anything, correct? So it wasn't just for this little box, it went with something bigger?
Correct.
Okay.
So the Norton 5800 low energy operator
Okay.
actually was released a few years back. A very successful product, but one of the things that it lacked was the ability to connect to an electric lock or an access control system wirelessly. So this product was actually released in April of this year, 2017, and that's the product that we have here.
Okay. And so with this new product, the operator, I know that it has several benefits that we can use, or that facilities can use. Can you tell us a little bit things like sustainability and things like that?
Sure. So the world market for automatic operators, restaurant, retail, convenience, and banking, typically they're push-pull doors. So what we wanted was an operator that we could actually install in a retrofit application, use push-pull. And so the first thing about the operator is it actually mounts on the door rather than above the door. So strategically, it makes it easier when there's interferences above the door, like the glass transom or the reveal or an exit sign. So strategic benefit one. The benefit number two is the door actually the operator generates power as the door opens and closes. So in some applications, or the right application, we don't need the operator to connect to electrical power at all. So you don't need a 24-volt source. You don't need an installation trained technician to do the electrical connection.
So you're really simplifying it for everyone involved, pretty much.
Exactly, simplifying the installation.
Yeah.
So the opening and closing motion of the door spins a motor gearbox, charges an onboard battery pack. So that can really reduce the amount of electrical cost and the complexity.
And so you said electrical cost. Now I know earlier we were talking and you said, 1 watt of electricity could equal up to $1, which, you're saving $25 a year.
Yeah.
And on hand, that doesn't seem like a ton of money, but over time, that's going to save you quite a bit. So for your budget purposes, it's much better.
Sure. So two configurations. One is where the operator doesn't use any electrical power at all. The motion of the door opening and closing, that would use 0 watts. And the other application is where we would connect it to a 24-volt source, maybe if the operator's used automatically all the time or when we connect to an electric lock. And in that case, we would draw 1 watt. So traditional operators draw between 25 watts on up, and depending upon your electrical costs in your area of the country, a watt is approximately $1 a year. So you could save about $25 per year by using a no voltage or a low voltage operator as opposed to a traditional hardwired operator. Doesn't sound like a lot unless you look at over the life of the product, 10 years, or if you have a large installation like a university, or which may have up to 1,000 operators on campus.
All right. Is there anything else that you want to tell us about the product?
Just to give you a quick overview of the interface module, is what people in the industry want to do is they want to use the wireless button or a wireless transmitter, and they want to wirelessly send a signal to the card to unlock the lock, and then they want to wait a moment in time and then wirelessly send a signal up to the operator to activate it. So that, to demonstrate it, is using a remote control, we can wirelessly unlock the lock and then wirelessly activate the operator.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that is really simple. Okay. Well, that about does it with me and Jay for today, but I'm going to be here at As Is all day. I'm going to be interviewing several different people, so I want you to make sure you stay tuned for future video newsletters. I want to thank Jay for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you tune in next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.